Lili'u. I'm a student at the University of Oregon, and I'm studying art and design with a concentration in photography. I'm doing my internship at Bridgeman Images in their London office as the content intern. I felt like I got a really good opportunity to experience the business side of the art world, which is what I was specifically hoping to do. I'm an artist and a photographer, and so I wanted to see kind of what the other side of that in art licensing and copyright is. So I feel like this was a great opportunity for that. I decided to do my internship in London because I wanted to experience life in a really big city. I love living in cities, and London has always been one of my favorites in the world. And I liked the idea of being in a city that has such a big art scene, modern art, contemporary art specifically. Because of what I'm hoping to do with my career, this location just kind of seemed perfect. I think doing an internship internationally was so helpful for me because I got to live and work and kind of build routines in a new place, and that's going to be helpful for, I think, the rest of my life. And then specifically my internship at Bridgeman Images let me see the business side of the art world in a way that I've never gotten to see before as an artist, and I think that will help me so much as I continue to grow my artistic practice and build my photography business. They were great. Both Alex and Peach were awesome, and we did lots of really cool meetups and social events that they organized. And then I felt like the support was great if I ever needed anything or had a question about London. There's so many new things coming into the program, and so it was so nice to have people who were knowledgeable and I felt like I could ask. I feel like for new people who are about to apply, I would definitely say not to be worried about all of the little details. Everything is going to fall into place, and everything it's going to end up being a great experience. And I feel like the biggest thing is that you get out of it what you put into it. And I mean, if you decide that you're going to have a great time, you will.